Welcome to a culinary adventure like no other. Imagine a succulent, oversized crab, its shell glistening under the light, ready to be devoured. We'll navigate this gastronomic journey together, bite by tantalizing bite. Start by gently cracking open the claw, savoring that first burst of flavor. This isn't just about consumption, it's an experience. Now, move to the legs, where the sweetest meat is often hidden. Delight in the challenge, the hunt for the ultimate reward. Finally, we reach the body, full of tender, juicy morsels, each one a testament to the ocean's bounty. Remember, the key is patience and anticipation. Enjoy the process, the reward is the journey. So, embark on this culinary expedition and discover the art of eating a big crab piece by piece. Until next time, bon appetit!